Hey friends, in our previous videos we have known about what is cell, where does it come from, how do the cell look like, what's the shape of the cell and many more. In this video we are going to discuss on eukaryotic cells. Wherever we hear life there is a cell hidden in it. So how does eukaryotic cell look like and what's there in it? Those cells which contain a true membrane-bound nucleus are said to be eukaryotic cells. An eukaryotic cell is complex and contains true membrane-bound nucleus. The cell size varies between 10 micrometer to 100 micrometer in diameter. Coming over to the cell morphologies, eukaryotic cells display a wide variety of different cell morphologies. Possible shapes include spherical, elongated, spindle, discoidal, oval, and many more. There are even many double-membraned organelles in eukaryotes. Actually, organelles are those organs, tiny organs in fact, that carry out different functions of the cell. Double-membraned organelles means they bear two membranes, and these membranes are even protective in function. An eukaryotic cell is surrounded by an external layer called cell membrane. It allows the passage of specific chemical in and out of the cell. The organelles of a cell are embedded in a jelly-like layer where enzymes react chemically in order to keep the cell alive. The structure of cytoplasm is made up of two layers, ectoplasm and endoplasm. An ectoplasm is more gel-like peripheral portion of the cell, whereas endoplasm is the central area that contains the organelles. Functions of cytoplasm include holding components of the cell, protection of the cell from cell damage, storage of molecules required for cellular process, and maintaining the shape of the cell. In a cell, the most important single membrane organelle is endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum has got two types, rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum differs from smooth endoplasmic reticulum by the presence of ribosomes attached on its surface. Rough endoplasmic reticulum performs the major function of protein synthesis. These synthesized proteins are either stored in cytoplasm or transported across the cells. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum involves in drug detoxification, lipid metabolism, and glycogenolysis. Another single membrane organelle is Golgi apparatus. These are located near the nuclei. Golgi apparatus consists of sets of cristae stacked together in parallel rows. The major function of Golgi apparatus is secretion. These secreted chemicals are then transported to and from through the help of vesicles. Our third membrane-bound organelle is lysosome. These are spheroid or irregular shaped membrane-bound vesicles that breaks down food and worn-out cell parts using hydrolytic enzymes present in it. The fourth single-membrane organelle is peroxisomes, which contain the enzymes required for breakdown of hydrogen peroxide molecules that are formed during the different cell processes. Glyoxysomes are also membrane-bound organelle present in germinating plant seeds. This carries out glyoxylate cycle, that is hydrolysis of fats to carbohydrates. Along with all these organelles, there is another single membraned organelle called vacuole. These are large or small sized, hollow, liquid-filled structures. The vacuoles of animal cells are bound by a lipoprotein membrane. The plant cell consists of a single large vacuole which applies the turgor pressure and gives support to the plants along with storage of water, food and other materials. In animal cell, there are multiple vacuoles which help in storage of food and other materials, also transmission of materials and maintenance of internal pressure of the cell. So friends, this was about the single membrane bound organelles in an eukaryotic cell. Here we looked into endoplasmic reticulum, cell membrane, Golgi apparatus, lysosomes, peroxisomes and vacuoles. This was just one part of the eukaryotic cell. In the other part, we are going to see the double membrane bound organelles as well as the organelles which do not possess any membranes, such as ribosomes. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.